Hello guys, welcome back to another lovely trading video. In this one we're going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Robinhood, ticker HOOD. Reason for this is it is one of the leading large cap stocks, being up around 12% as we're recording this video. So to get straight into it, as we can see it is up 12.5%. This is surprisingly off the news that they are doing even more layoffs, which is strange to see the stock increase because obviously if a company is doing layoffs, it's not usually a good sign. However, as we're pushing up, what are going to be our targets, and that's what we'll go through now. We can see we've actually kind of come into one. Around 1080 is its first deviation on the 4 hour, so we would see this as heavy support, and we would expect selling pressure to come as we come into this level, as we saw earlier. So really we would be rating for a retest of this level, and as always, if it comes into this level and sells off, we won't really be looking to do all that much. And if you're looking to short, if you're looking to trade this long, we would wait for a break above, maybe to $11 or so, come back, retest 1080, and then as long as more selling pressure comes in, we can break that previous high created. Then we would expect this level to be confirmed, and we would expect a push to a next deviation. And what would that next deviation be? Well, looking onto the daily chart, we can see that is around $13.50. So that's where we would expect Robinhood to push. But obviously that is around a 30% move from where it is. So this would require maybe a bit of news, a bit of volatility, or just at least a bit of time. And then the same thing going higher, further off targets being around $16.50. $22.25, and then $28.25, and then at an extreme we do have final targets around $43 and $57, but obviously this is around IPO kind of prices, so it might be unlikely to see the stock coming here at least in the near future, and we would be paying more attention to the 1080, 1350, and maybe the 1645. Now if the stock starts selling off, what are going to be buy targets? Well, as the deviations to the downside are negative, as you can see, the first deviation is minus 15, and the first deviation on the 4 hour is minus 70 cents. We don't or can't really use standard deviations to find buy zones, so instead we would look more for trades on the upside, or shorting trades off these deviation levels, or we could look to take smaller trades, or we usually either use more confirmation or smaller size on the half deviations on the 4 hour and the daily, which would be $7, $80, and $6.20, or we can use the statistical mean, which is around $5 on the 4 hour. That is the main breakdown on Robinhood. If you did enjoy, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next one, and that's it. Peace.
And maybe I'm crazy.